Okay, fine.
Hello friends, this is Bhushan Nimlekar from Daisar Connect on DC Celeb Talk. And today I have got distinguished guests from the food industry who are very health conscious. And I would actually give a little bit of background where how I was introduced to Nupur Mehta. Okay, and then I'll come to Hemal Diwan. Professor Subhash Joshi, he is of SP classes. He is one of the founders. And he has sent me this contact where Nupur was a student of his classes in Malad branch. And now she's an entrepreneur herself. And Hemal Diwanji, Hemalji also has joined her as a nutritionist and clinical dietitian, a clinical nutritionist, if I mistake not. So I would request both of you to introduce yourself so that my viewers know exactly what you're into, and then we carry forward our interview. Good afternoon. Yeah, Nupur.
Firstly, thank you, sir, for giving me this platform. And hi, everyone. I'm Nupur Mehta, a food engineer and technologist. I have a prior work experience at PepsiCo India as an assistant manager in both their beverage as well as the snacks sector. And currently, I have my own food manufacturing setup, a brand by the name Poshti. And I'm into manufacturing of healthy food. Apart from this, I'm also an auditor for ISO 9001 2015 standard. And I am associated with the FSSAI as a food safety mitra, as a part of which I provide consultancy for food business registration and licensing.
Great. I mean, the introduction is so nice that it clears what exactly you're into. Hemalji, just a brief introduction of yourself, and then I'll come back to the interview.
Hi everyone. Thanks Bhushanji for giving me this opportunity. I'm Hemal Diwan. I'm a clinical dietitian and naturopathist with more than 20 years of experience in both India and US. Living in both the countries has broadened my outlook in terms of food culture, eating habits, and even lifestyle. In my entire career, I have been associated with many hospitals, clinics, and even gym. I strongly believe health is wealth and you are what you eat. So it gives me immense pleasure when I see my patients achieving their health. Healthy foods has always been my passion. So I always encourage everybody to maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Very nice. Actually, it's very encouraging, especially when we are going through a phase where health is the biggest issue. So, I think this is the right time and the right content what we are into today. Nupur, could you please brief what is food technology? Because, see, most of the students know commerce, science, doctor, engineer, but this is a very common field. No? So, food technology is something path breaking, something which is very uncommon. And how did you chart that path? How did you think of going into that? Yeah.
So this is a very common question that I come along, like as you said, that food engineering, food technology is a very unknown, unexplored field, I would say. So people generally don't know about it, and they tend to ask me, what exactly do you mean by food engineering? Because when someone says engineering, people generally tend to relate the computer engineer, electronics engineer, mechanic, civil. So what is food engineering? So food engineering basically involves everything in the food chain, right from the farm to the plate. Okay, it starts from your raw material procurement. It involves equipment design, processing, packaging, safety and quality control, shelf life studies, nutritional aspect, and even consumer acceptance of any food product today that you see on the shelf. So it's an entire package. And as far as choosing this field is concerned, so food is something that I am very passionate about. I have been very passionate about this since my childhood. Like I was a big foodie, and everyone in my family is.
Okay.
But since this was an unexplored field, even I didn't have any knowledge about it until one of a senior expert from this field happened to suggest this course to me at the Institute of Chemical Technology, that's in Mumbai. So I went through the course and I found it pretty interesting. And so I thought that it can be an opportunity to turn my passion into my profession. And that's how I landed up in this field.
Great. So are you talking about UD
Yes, UDCT.
It is one of the prestigious place one could be into. So we are so proud of you. And one more question, actually linking to whatever I asked you, Hemalji, you have to pardon me because I have to ask Nupur how she went into this, because she was actually into a very secure place in life where she was with PepsiCo India. On a management level, she reached on that level. So what made you choose, to start your own brand? What was that kind of a germ which got into your mind? And then you are what you are today.
So people generally have this common notion, I want to get into this company, I want to get into this position, I want to get a particular package, and then I'm sorted for life. That kind of a feeling. But I never wanted that path. I wanted to be an entrepreneur right from the very beginning. But before I could set up my own venture, it was necessary that I take some experience of how the corporate world and the industry works. And I was lucky enough to be able to secure a placement with a leading FMCG giant like PepsiCo. And I learned a lot of important lessons from there, which today I can say that I'm implementing in my own company. And to be honest, it requires a lot of courage to stand up on your own feet in today's competitive world. Yeah. And my mother has been my biggest supporter throughout. She is a culinary enthusiast and also happens to be a recipe developer at Posh Tea. Mm-hmm. So it's kind of that my technical knowledge along with her culinary skills, we form the perfect team, and it enables me to realize my dream. So that's how we work.
Great. So it's like a family coming together and supporting a child who wants to do something in life. Hemalji, it's I just wanted you to share your first interaction with Nupur. If I'm not very inquisitive, but how did you manage to get in touch with Nupur or whichever way around? And then you people thought of going in Poshtik. Poshtik is, I'll tell my viewers, they must be knowing this word. Poshtik means healthy. In Marathi, they call it Poshtik. That's the reason I used to spell it as P-O-U. So pardon me for that. It is Poshtik means healthy. So बताइए आपका experience Nupur के साथ पहली मुलाकात कैसी थी?
Nupur, I distinctly remember meeting Nupur with her mother Purnima at Dr. Ketan Mehta's clinic. Yeah. We started talking about food because it was a common interest between us. She shared me an idea of guilt-free snacking, which I thought was very interesting and innovative.
Yeah.
I thought it would be good even for my patients because they always kept hounding me for additional options which are healthy as well as tasty.
Okay.
So I thought it would be an interesting challenge. So interesting. In fact, I remember we sat there hours brainstorming on this concept, and there Poshtik was born.
Great. Why I'm asking you, because my viewers should know that anything which is conceived as a business is not just so easy. All of you come together. It is this time that you people are going to do something for the society. Continuing with this, Nupur, I just want to ask you, what are the range of products which are there with Poshtik, and how would a person, how can a person order it? Agar kaise, if I'm a viewer and I am in Mumbai or Thane or whichever day, तो वो कैसे order कर सकते हैं? क्या range है आपके?
At Poshtik, all of us as a team, we believe this, that why should one choose one over the other when health and taste can go together?
Wow.
So we have designed our range of products. Like we have a range of health-based gourmet products, right from wholesome granolas to flavored nuts, seeds, makhanas. We do energy balls. Apart from that, we are also into sugar-free chocolates and cookies. And one of our best selling products is stuffed dates. So they are like our specialty and one of the best selling ones. And these products are available online on Amazon for pan India delivery. Apart from that, alternatively, one can also order through direct call or WhatsApp or any of our other social media handles like Instagram or Facebook. And recently, just like before the second wave started, we have introduced a new product that is fresh salad bowls
Okay.
that serve as a complete meal. And especially for the younger generation who are always in a constant dilemma of, craving for fancy versus being calorie conscious.
Yeah.
So this is like the perfect solution to it.
Yeah, it's the right thing, Nupur, that the younger generation is very health conscious, and which is not wrong because they want to look good, they want to be presentable. So I think Paustik serves the right purpose, isn't it? So Hemalji, now that you are a clinical nutritionist
Yes.
who designs whatever with maybe in consultation with Nupur and probably her mom also. You are a team. So I'm just very inquisitive to know, like, the younger generation who's working, they are, now 24/7 work from home, or they are tied up due to their career. So how do you feel, or how do you envisage that the products from Postic would benefit them? How will they, be benefited with your products? You can advise.
The younger generation,
Yeah.
the millennials, right?
Mhm.
The word itself says hectic.
Yeah.
The word comes hectic to your mind when you talk about the younger generation. Uh, we don't blame them. The newer lifestyle is becoming so hectic that they hardly have time even to eat their meals on time. Because of this, they develop a habit of munching whatever is available. The problem is, whatever is available is mostly unhealthy. Our concept of guilt free snacking enables them to strike right balance between flavor and fuel. So
Great.
we at Postic are providing products to snack, which
Mhm.
can be nutritious and
Okay.
can even satisfy their nutritional requirements. They
Okay.
can eat even anywhere, like on the go or even at the desk. So they don't need to take care of their they don't need to worry about their nutritional requirements. Even in the current scenario, where the concept is work from home, as you rightly mentioned, they hardly have time to prepare a one single balanced meal for themselves. So for such a scenario, we have come up with an options like a salad bowl,
Yeah.
which itself is a complete nutritious meal. So they can add even a variety to their diet and not worry about their nutritional requirements.
Great, great. And it's going to be tasty also and
Yeah,
healthy. So because
yeah,
that's what your concept is, that, why do you compromise on taste just because you want to have healthy food? Because we used to
yes,
always feel, अरे यार ये मैं order कर सकता हूँ लेकिन ये tasty नहीं है. So tasty and
right.
healthy is what Paustik is. So going further down, with our what you call interview, Nupur, can you just tell me if viewers want to have their own business setup? Like if I, for example, it's just an example, assuming that I'm a viewer, I have a place and I feel okay now that the pandemic is slowly, a day will come when everything will be normal. I'm sure we all are in a very, we are thinking in a positive way. तो
Yeah.
उनके लिए आप क्या एडवाइस कर सकते हैं कि how where does your organization and your advice come in the picture, and how will you help out maybe the Daisar Connect viewers?
So, sir, you are talking about the post COVID, but I am talking of the COVID period also. Like, if you see around, we have so many home chefs mushrooming right now. During this lockdown, we have seen so much so that I'm sure almost each and every society is going to have at least one home kitchen business running. Right, so that's really, really great what the women of India have come up with during this lockdown. Now, there is one advice that I would like to give over here. Many people might not be knowing this that the food industry in our country is being regulated by the FSSAI, which stands for the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. So they require that anyone in the food chain, be it anyone, even your tapri ka chai wala, or even your favorite pani puri wala, your vada pav wala, or even a fine dine restaurant, a warehouse, or to that extent, even a vehicle that is meant for transport of food.
Yeah.
Anyone dealing in any activity of food is supposed to be registered or licensed with FSSAI. So this law basically covers these home chefs also, these budding chefs also. So I would like to urge to all the viewers that if you are involved in any kind of food handling,
Yeah.
please go and get yourself registered with FSSAI at the earliest to avoid any penalty. And trust me, it's like a very, very simple process. It's not at all complicated.
Okay.
And you know, as a gesture from my side to promote women entrepreneurship, I would like to offer my free consultancy to any woman out here who wish to stand up on their own feet and, you know, start out a venture in this field.
Oh, that's a great offer. You know, I mean, hats off to you, Nupur, that you are so courteous that you're giving this opportunity to women. And one more thing which I really got to know now, Hemal ji, मैंने खुद पहली बार सीखा कि every outlet or every person who's into this food business requires a FSSAI clearance or a certification. And by God's grace, Hemal ji, Nupur is there to help them out. क्या आप उनको help कर सकते हैं if they require the certification, or they have to approach directly? What do you advise?
Definitely. As I mentioned in my introduction, I am associated with FSSAI as a food safety mitra. So I do look after all these registration and applications and licensing process. So if anyone is stuck anywhere, they can approach me and I can help them channelize their application ahead.
Great. So of course, at the end of the interview, or maybe when I write about you, I can mention the address or, you know, the place where they can get in touch with you. And I'm sure there are so many women who I know on Dahisar Connect who have been sharing that, you know, they are preparing this, and they may be doing good business during pandemic. So as what you rightly said, why only think post-pandemic? We can also think about today, where even if it continues for a little while, there's going to be a financial support for these people, you know, where and legally, where there should not be any technical issue. Hemal ji, am I right or wrong?
Right.
So going further down in this interview session, मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि do you have any? I mean, this is a offhand thought process which I got, impromptu question. So be ready for that. Is there any age limit where आपका जो अपना जो product है पौष्टिक कि बच्चे a certain age के ऊपर ही खा सकते हैं और elders on the, you know, like 50s, 60s, 70s ऐसा कुछ है, or it's for everyone?
No, the products are healthy and they are universal. You know, any age group can have it. There is no age bars for it, and since they are tasty, I guess all the age groups will like it.
Yeah, because especially क्या होता है हेमल जी, there is a certain age where, you know, beyond a certain advanced stage, people feel अच्छा, you know, they have got a sugar issue or they have got some other issues health wise. So do you advise that these products could be consumed by people from that category also?
Yes, because we are working on even sugar-free products, low-sodium products on an initiative called Ek Chammach Kam. So those products will help such specific requirement people who really need sugar-free or low-sodium products. So, you know, those products will help them.
Great. One more thing I just thought, you know, which occurred to me while I was just talking to you. This is how I gain more and more knowledge. See, there are some organizations who are working presently, corporates I'm talking about, Nupur, and if they have a kitchen and if they want that, you know, Paustik should provide them with maybe certain products which you have, or their staff who are working, they may be skeletal staff, very few of them, 10, 15, 20. So instead of having their own kitchen, they may ask from you. So would you be happy to cater to those people also who are working?
Yes, definitely, sir. We do that. We do take corporate orders as well. Like even if they have any requirement, be it very low also, we can still get in touch with them and serve them whatever their order, be it the daily salad bowls or even for the snacking. As we mentioned, we have a lot of snacking products which people working and they may just want to munch upon something. So rather than picking up a packet of chips, I would say why not pick up a packet of Pashti?
Very nice, very nice. It's a very beautiful way of branding and also promoting your product. And मुझे ये पूछना है हेमल जी कि there are women, especially, again, this is a question which I have just thought, while I'm talking to you. There are a lot of women who just don't bother about their health. They like, they think more about their family. ये मेरा हर इंसान को एक क्वेश्चन होता है कि a mother in the family, a wife in the family, they always think about taking care of their kids or their husband or their in-laws. They don't really bother about their health. So where does Paustik stand? Do you want to also tell them कि okay, आप हमारा product खाइए, you feel healthy throughout the day, and would you like to collaborate with them also?
Yes, I generally come across this because women, they generally tend to ignore themselves, be it behind the family or be it because of kids, their hectic schedules, so or even because they are working. So they generally tend to ignore themselves. So I feel that is very wrong because women, they are the engine of a train. So if the engine is not functioning properly, the train would not be proper. So I always emphasize all my patients. No, you have to, women patients especially, you have to take care of yourself first because you are equally important, or if not less. So something like Paustik, because since they are busy attending to each and everyone's needs and schedules, if something like Paustik products, which are very easy and handy to eat, and even they can suffice their nutritional value, why not? So they don't have to worry about themselves, which they never do. So at least even unknowingly they will take care of themselves.
Great. Okay, the concluding part now that we are, the last question I want to ask Nupur. Where do you see Paustik growing in this decade, 2021, 2030? And where you visualize it? Is it going to be international? Is it going to be global or across the planet? What is your vision? And both of you. Nupur, just begin with. Nupur.
Okay.
If you are saying something, Hemal, you can please.
Sorry.
I was saying it. So because I feel the vision for Paustik is let food be your medicine and not let medicine be your food. Oh. So working on this principle, we at Paustik are promoting a concept of healthy living, because we believe that it's maintaining one's health is not just one-time goal, but it's a lifelong commitment. Also in today's time, sugar and salt, which are the two main culprits for lifestyle related diseases, especially like diabetes, BP, you all must be knowing. So for this, we are trying to tackle this problem by an initiative called Ek Chammach Kam, which I mentioned to you earlier, right? So we are creating products such as our sugar-free range or low-sodium products, which will help to cater this kind of specific need people.
Great.
And apart from the sugar and salt being the two culprits, I feel we also have the big concern in India of malnutrition. And malnutrition is widespread throughout India. And the main reason behind it being the economic inequality, I would say, that is present in our country. So although Paustik per se is a premium brand, but we are in the process of developing at least one product that can be affordable, pocket friendly, and at the same time, meeting the nutritional needs of any individual who is consuming it. So to conclude, like you said, where do you want Paustik to reach? I would say that we envision Paustik reaching each and every house in the next couple of years.
Very true.
Very nice. I'll be very happy to collaborate with you. At least, if you people are comfortable. For people from Dahisar, there's a tremendous population around 4 to 5 lakhs. So, let's work together for the future times to come and reach out to more and more Daisarites. So thank you very much, Nupur and Hemalji, for your very, very precious time. And we will catch up again, maybe for some new developments, what you people make, and connect with my Daisar Connect viewers. Thank you. Thank you, and
Thank
God
you
bless
for-
you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
for
you, sir.
having us. Take care, stay healthy, and be safe.
Thank you. ma'am.
It was
God
great.
bless.
It was great connecting with you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
sir.
same here. Same here.